I'm recording. This is Anthony Pioni, your live downtown merchant here, and this is March 20th, 2007, and this is what happens when you're down to one bridge in downtown Brockport. I want everybody to see this. Isn't this pretty down here? That's what's going to happen when they remodel downtown and tear up Main Street and they don't fix the Smith Street Bridge. I just think I'd like to share this with everybody. I mean, this is just a good opportunity to see your future right here before your eyes. So, this is because of a fire, okay? And they've closed the bridge down here on Main Street, and this is what we got, kids. So, hey, get ready to rock and roll. As you can see, that bridge is closed, and this is the traffic situation. Imagine living with this, okay?
Sounds good. I'm on the other side there, and we've tried to get them in, they won't do it.
Yeah.
So.
There we go.